foreigner commuting in the Philippines, is that possible or instant headache? Today I went to more and asked Filipinos about this topic. As a foreigner here in the Philippines, when I came here for the first time, it's medyo difficult. Pero ako person Pinoy, di ba? Walang problema na. But let's ask the real Filipino opinion. Let's dive into the video. Tara na. Do you think foreigners could commute here in the Philippines easily?
I think the Philippine transportation system is a little bit it's a little bit complicated. Even I have a hard time sometimes. So I don't think it'll be easy for foreigners to commute in the Philippines. But the people, as I said, they're very friendly. So you can just ask anyone and I'm sure they'll be happy to help you with the directions. Or you can just book a Grab.
Yeah, that's the easiest way, right?
Book a Grab or angkas,
Yeah.
motorcycles. Yes, I always do that instead.
Ako din, me too. I do always angkas. Move it, di ba?
Yes, move it.
Okay, thank you so much. Perfect naman. Thank you. Do you think foreigners could commute easily in the Philippines?
For me, I think the commute system here in the Philippines can be kind of tricky, especially if you're not really familiar with the language. I think for you to be familiar with commuting in the Philippines, you should know the ways, the places. But once you get to understand the different places and roads, you could easily commute here, especially with the LRT, MRT train stations. Yeah.
I love it.
I don't really have an opinion on that because I'm a driver. So she's the expert with that one. So yeah, that's it.
But the traffic is super crazy.
Oh my God! Oof, traffic is very oof. I can already say so much. So bad.
Thank you so much. Do you think foreigners could commute easily here in the Philippines?
Well, even Filipinos are having a hard time commuting here in the Philippines. So, I think foreigners can do it. There's a learning curve. Of course you can. So, just be aware. It's a fun adventure if you're commuting here in the Philippines.
How about the traffic?
Bro. The traffic, you'll die. I'm just joking. I'm a Filipino. I'm not dying, but it's really hard.
Do you think foreigners could commute here in the Philippines easily?
No, because here in the Philippines, not all the people, some of the people in the Philippines have not a discipline, especially to commute or like that, the car. Or you going right there, the other going right there, they boom.
Do you think foreigners could commute easily in the Philippines?
Yes, kasi madami ka nang mapapagtanungan ng mga direction dito. Like sinabi ko nga kanina, mababait yung mga tao dito. Pwede mo silang pagtanungan. Kaya makakapag-commute ka ng maayos dito sa Philippines.
Perfect na. Thank you. Good job. Do you think foreigners could commute here in the Philippines easily?
No. Kasi
Bakit?
madami tao.
Madami tao.
Tapos sa LRT, siksikan pati. Lalo na pag rush hour. Tapos traffic din lagi. Lalo na sa EDSA.
Sobrang crazy.
Yes. Exhausted.
I think yes naman po. There's a lot of mode of transportation here in the Philippines. Especially may mga private naman like mga angkas and also tsaka yung mga Filipino commuters naman friendly naman sila lalo na sa mga foreigners. So I think approachable and
Depende din sa tao kasi.
And syempre aviation students kami. We are an aviation student so we promote yung school. We promote tourism here in the Philippines. We are an aviation students.
Use me as an ambassador, okay? Thank you so much. Do you think foreigners could commute easily here in the Philippines?
May mga opportunities na para mapadali ang commute sa Pilipinas. Ang Philippines kasi, ang construction or yung layout ng mga buildings natin ng travel is actually car-centric eh. Mahirap na biumahe kasi parang hindi na prioritize yung mga walking, yung mga pedestrian, or even bicycle or motorcycle lanes. Hindi siya ganun kaganap rin. Kaya I think parang developing pa yung future ng pagiging easy commute ng Pilipinas. Pero I'd say may mga steps naman na. Such as, let's say, yung libreng sakay ng QC. Ako kasi talagang ginagamit ko yung libreng sakay. So, in English, pre-ride siya. Sa QC kasi, meron silang program na ini-implement where yung mga tao, mga citizens ng Quezon City, is nakakasakay sa mga bus. And then, ang center point ng travel na yun is nasa QC Hall na, Quezon City Hall. Kaya I think may mga ganong travels rin na na-implement, hindi lang sa QC. Pero I think pinaka nag-pioneer talaga ng is QC talaga. Naging maganda silang example ng system na to. And nagiging spread na siya sa mga cities dito sa Metro Manila. And ayun nga, yung mga travels na to is nakakonect rin sa ating mga train systems routes. Yan. Kaya I think madali naman yung travel as long as alam mo yung connecting na travels talaga na routes. Yeah.
Do you think foreigners could commute easily here in the Philippines?
I think yes.
Okay. Bakit?
Kasi dito naman sa Pinas, here in the Philippines, it's easy to get vehicles.
Vehicles, okay.
Yeah, to go to where you want.
Okay.
Yeah, like jeeps, tricycles, taxis, anything, buses, anywhere you want to go. It's so easy.
Pero how about the traffic?
The traffic, yeah, it's so annoying.
Yeah. Do you think foreigners could commute easily here in the Philippines?
Para sa akin, hindi.
Hindi. Okay, hindi. Bakit hindi?
Marami kasing masyadong, like katulad ng jeep. Pag rush hour kasi, either nagtutulakan sila, and hahabulin mo talaga yung jeep, punuan din. Kaya minsan nag-aantay yung mga ibang mga nag-work na ilang hours sa jeep. Kaya medyo feeling ko yung foreign din nila kakayanin.
Yeah. Okay. How is the traffic here?
Sobrang lala. Sobrang lala. Kung walang traffic, para makakapunta ka ng 20 minutes. Pero pag may traffic, parang 2 hours na agad.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, still, we love Philippines.
Siyempre naman.
Yeah.
Karamihan kaya po mahal ng mga foreigner dito sa Pilipinas dahil sa mga tao din dito. Hindi lang sa place.
Yeah. Perfect answers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Do you think foreigners could commute easily here in the Philippines?
I think they can commute easily if they with Filipino also.
Bakit?
Because some people also don't understand English, some drivers. And it's more safe if they with someone who's Filipino also. Yeah.
How is the traffic?
The traffic, yeah, sobrang hassle though. Yeah, it's Philippines. It's Philippines hassle. It's always traffic.
Still, we love Philippines.
Yeah, we love Philippines.
Hey guys, how was it? I think foreigners cannot commute here in the Philippines because, first of all, traffic, of course, and Philippines has a lot of like vehicles, transportations. But my favorite is MRT. MRT is sobrang easy, but you know, jeepneys, medyo difficult talaga. Why don't you try? You can try it here in the Philippines. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment and give me your likes. I'll see you in the next video. Tara na!